Alright guys, back here at the shop again. It's the next weekend past from when we pulled the Subaru motor out of the 07 WRX wagon we got here. And we got the headset into machine shop. They're cleaned up all real nice and shiny. Had them all pressure checked and resurfaced, and just, you know, good old check over, make sure they weren't warped or anything. So after the WRX blew its head gaskets, make sure they're good to slap back on this motor. We got our I have to wipe them down a little bit, but we got our head surfaces buffed on the block for got them nice and clean, ready for new head gaskets. Got to oil up the cylinder walls a little bit. I said wipe down the surfaces with a nice clean rag before we slap the heads on. We replaced the rear main seal. We took the flywheel off, replaced the rear main in behind there, put a new pilot bearing in the flywheel. We got a new throwout bearing too. We're going to reuse the clutch and flywheel. We did buff the surface of the flywheel though. That's pretty much it. We're just going to go ahead and get these head gaskets on and get these heads bolted up and torqued down. He's about to getting ready to slap the clutch back on there, and we'll get a little update in a couple minutes here. Alright, quick update here. Heads are bolted on, all torqued up. Got the camshafts in.
Did I stutter?
Camshafts in with the bucket lifters in there, and the camshafts, everything's torqued down. Valve covers are on. New spark plugs, coal packs. Getting ready to, got the water pump removed, getting ready to throw the new water pump on there and throw all our new idler pulleys and everything, new timing belt on the front. Then we'll slap the timing covers on. Then just gotta slap the intake manifold on, gotta slap the exhaust manifold on, and the up pipe and turbo obviously all goes right back up in here. So not a whole lot. We're about halfway down putting the motor together. Probably about another hour we'll have everything else together and be ready to go back in the car. All right, motor's all in, going for a first startup. There we go. Awesome. Good. Some AC in it right now. Make sure the coolant's all topped off in the reservoir. Go. Sorry if the noise quality's been kind of bad with the engine running. I don't know how well you guys can hear me. Cool. Started at about 9:30 this morning, and it's 5 o'clock right now. About. Took a long lunch though, so make sure there's no leaks pouring at least. No, nothing's pouring out. We did something right.
What you want, a cookie?
Sweet.